Alright, so what's up guys? And today with me again I have the iPhone 17 Pro Max in the cosmic orange color, and I have two cases from a company called Poetic. And again, Poetic has been sending me cases for older devices as well. I'm a huge fan of the cases, and always recommend Poetic cases if you want something that will protect your phone and also will look good. So they sent out two cases. One is the Poetic Spartan case with MagSafe, and other is the Poetic Revolution case. So we'll be taking a look at both the cases, how it looks on the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and which one should you purchase. So let's quickly begin with the first case, which is the Poetic Spartan case for the 17 Pro Max. Honestly, I love how this case looks. I love the design and everything. Looks really nice. Let's quickly put the phone in the case and let's see how it looks. So this is how it looks from the front, and this is how it looks from the back. And as you can see, looks really nice. Okay, let's quickly move on to the specifications. So as you can see, you have enough lip on the front so that even if you put your phone face down like this, it won't damage the phone. But again, if you have a tempered, just because I don't have a tempered, but if you have a tempered glass screen protector, it will just easily flush in with the lip. On the back, as you can see, you have protection for the camera plateau, but it's not a complete protection. As you can see, you still have the two openings. Honestly, not a fan of the openings. I would have rather preferred it to be a full cover or a full opening rather than this half split design, but I mean, looks good honestly. On the sides, as you can see, you have this texture which looks really nice and it feels grippy, and honestly this phone case feels really nice in the hand as well, and as you can see, it also looks really good. So yeah, buttons pretty clicky, as you can see. Action button is clicky as well. You have the camera control, which Poetic has gone with the solution of putting a glass button on the camera control. Let's see how it performs. So this is how you open it, and as you can see, shutter button is working fine. So again, really good implementation of the camera control button, no complaints there. And on the back you have MagSafe, and then this can either be like a pop socket, or you can use this as something to prop your phone on. So portrait or landscape, however you want it. If you're on a video call, you can just easily prop it up like this. So good thing MagSafe will work as well, and the design looks really nice, as you can see, especially on the orange color. It really suits the cosmic orange. And also, if you notice on the sides here, you see there is like a little cushioning going on the sides. So if you drop your phone, I am pretty sure the sides will take up all the impact and it won't let the damage go up to your phone. So that's a good thing. And on the side here, as you can see, you have Poetic branding as well. Small branding, looks really nice. And on the bottom, you have cutouts for the speaker, the microphone, and also the USB-C cable. And the cutout is big enough so that you can fit any of the cable that you have. So yeah, honestly, love this case. Might be one of my new favorites, honestly. Really good case. Huge fan. Let's move on to the next one, which is the Revolution case. And again, as you can see, it is pretty easy to take this case out as well. Okay, so the Revolution case comes with two options. The first option is you have a tempered glass, not a tempered glass, it's a plastic screen protector kind of a thing with a cutout for the notch, as you can see on the top. Or the second option, which I like, is just a bumper and then you put the case on. So we'll be going with this because this is what I think most people will use as well. So the way you put it is you take your phone, you put the bumper first. Just make sure that you do it nicely because aluminium is scratching on the 17 series. So just make sure that you do this nicely and not scratch your phone. Be real gentle and put the phone. Okay, so it did take some struggle for me to put the phone in the case, but honestly I think you should be careful when you put it in the case, just because of the aluminium and the scratches that it brings with it. So this is how it looks. This is how it looks from the front. As you can see, it does add a bit of a weight and bulk on the phone, and this is how it looks from the back. Looks really interesting and looks really rugged. The only thing is you miss out on MagSafe. You have the stand again, which you can use to prop your phone, portrait or landscape, and you can just slide it back. Yeah, on the front, as you can see, you have enough lip so it won't damage the screen like at all. On the back, the camera plateau is covered entirely, so you don't have to worry about that. The camera control button is a huge dip here. So again, that's nice, and I'm assuming it will work similar to how the older case, the previous case, worked. Bottom, as you can see, you have cutouts for the speaker and the microphone, but you have this thing for the Type-C port, so it is well protected. Yeah, again, as you can see, sides are very much cushioned, so even if you drop the phone, it really won't damage the phone. And then again, rest of it is the design. If you're a fan of this design, looks really nice personally, but this is like a subjective thing, personal choice. So yeah, I mean, these are the two cases here. You pick which one you like. Both the links will be in the description box down below. Leave a comment down below on which one do you prefer more. Personally, I like this one more. I don't really care about this big case and such protection. But yeah, if you're something who is a fan of a rugged case, this one is really nice. So yeah, give it a big thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next one.